back to Evita Cooking at the Rhythm of My Heart. Thank you so much for coming back. On a previous video, I shared with you how to make this delicious ahili mohili sauce. Today, I have prepared for you the easy step-by-step on how to make coconut jasmine rice. Later, we're going to use our jasmine coconut rice to serve our ahili mohili sauce and grilled chicken. And if you would like to see just how simple it is to make jasmine coconut rice, stay with me and I'll show you how. For this recipe, we're going to need a large shallot. Slice it thinly, rough chop it, and set it aside. Start by preheating your pan on medium-high heat. Add your coconut oil, shallot, and cook until it becomes translucent. We don't want to brown them, we want to just soften them up. After about a minute, add your rice. We're using jasmine rice, and stir. Make sure you coat the rice with the oil and the shallots. When it's coated, add your Himalayan salt. You can use any kind of salt you like. Add your water. Stir and allow it to come to a boil. And this usually happens very quickly. When it boils, stir it and allow it to continue cooking on medium-high heat until the water has reduced by 2/3. And when the water reduces, we add the coconut milk powder. Reduce the heat to low and mix it. And continue cooking cover for about 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is tender. 15 minutes later, let's check on our rice. And look at that, it's nice and fluffy. Let's taste it. If you like your rice a little bit more tender, you can leave it an additional 5 minutes. But for me, it's perfect and we're done. And finally, there you have it, my version of jasmine coconut rice. Check it out. It's a perfect pairing for just about anything. Let's go ahead and try it. Smells so good. Wow, it is perfectly tender. You can taste the coconut and the coconut oil all the way throughout. Absolutely delicious. Well, you guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. Give me a thumbs up. Activate the notification bell so you don't miss out on more delicious video recipes like this one. And as always, I'm Evita, cooking at the rhythm of my heart. Buen provecho y hasta la próxima. You really have to try it.